Live from the raft, umami powder, chomp style. Steps in the description. Walk and roll, banana patrol.
Water in, fresh shiitake in, keep it gentle. We're brewing pure savory here. Mushrooms out, keep the liquid. Reduce it down, this is the flavor engine.
Dried shiitake through the grinder. Pinch of salt. Sizzle check. 3.
Powder into the concentrate. Stir to a paste. Spread it thin, then dry. Dry sheet breaks clean. Grind again. Sieve it fine. Jar ready umami.
Done. Pinch in rice, noodles, soups. If the raft survives, you will too. Walk and roll, banana patrol. Big wave. Jar saved. Subscribe for more chaos-proof cooking. Banana patrol.